SMDC is now developing 3 condominiums in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Umpisahan natin kay Park Residences, guys. This is located in front of the SMCT Santa Rosa. And sumunod, guys, kung nasan ako ngayon sa showroom ni Calm Residences, this is located in Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, guys, right in front naman ng SLEX Santa Rosa exit. And the newly launched project of the SMDC, which is located in Binyan, Laguna, guys. This is very accessible through Mamplasan exit, guys. Napakalapit lang po niya. So, guys, ang pinaka-pre-selling namin na ino-offer na stretch na down payment is 48 months. So, the most affordable na we can offer to you is ang aming Turf Residences. So, Turf Residences starts at 13,000 per month only. So, pwede ka na makapagsimula ng investment mo, pwede mong parentahan, or pwede mong pa-Airbnb in the future. So, if you're a former Filipino, if you're working abroad, if you're an OFW na naghahanap ng investment dito sa Pilipinas, just don't hesitate to message us through my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage, guys, +63917 1248304, and the assist